Okay, so here it is. HVAC door actuator for the passenger side dual temperature control. So what we did here is you've got the motor and there's the little worm gear here. And then there's kind of a two-sided clamp that holds this on. See, and that's just pressed onto the shaft. So just move that out on the shaft a little bit so there's no more play in here. If you look underneath, take the motor out real quick. You can see there's these contacts. So there's a different design for these things where this gear actually comes off and those contacts are exposed, and some people have had some success with bending them back up to get a better contact with some of the circuitry that's on the other side of this wheel. So that wasn't really possible in this case because it's attached, that's pressed on pretty good. I didn't want to break it. I think it's probably glued. So what I did was used a straight flathead screwdriver, and I just kind of pushed up on this thing from underneath until it's pretty tight. And I put this back in. All fits nice and tight. I tested it out already and it did work. So now I have to reassemble everything. It's kind of a pain getting this thing out. I'll show you that in a minute. Alright, so this is with the glove compartment off. See, there's the blower motor right there, cabin air filter. Here, this guy right here, is the passenger side door actuator. That's what was making all the clicking sounds. So if you go to the passenger temperature, turn it all the way down. See, pretty much at the low setting already. If I move it up, bring it to heat, you can see the little levers going. Switching that door, not making any more noise. So everything that it's supposed to do, nice and quiet like. So bring the temperature back down. See it go back to its normal cooling position. So that's that. It was a real pain to take out. You can see it's got 3 screws that hold it in. There's one right here. The other one in the back on the bottom right over here. And there's actually a 3rd screw right up on top, which you can't see. And you can barely touch. You might be able to get a look from underneath. So if we're coming down here, from there, sneak back this way, you can barely see right about there. Where the 3rd screw position is, yeah, right there. You can see there's no screw in it right now. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put that back. It's that hard. Alright, there you have it. Reinstalled and functional.